So how to set default notifications in Gravity Forms. So what is a notification? So an email notification that a form has been successfully submitted can be very helpful for site administrators when a user submits a form. You won't need to keep checking your entries table to see if anything has been submitted. So I'll explain how to set up a simple email notification for one of your forms anytime someone submits the form. So for a single form, even for a single submission, you could have multiple notifications. You could use complex conditional logic conditions to identify which is activated upon submission. But for now, let's create a basic notification. Okay. First, you should already have a form created. So select the form that you want to make the notification. So from here, go to the top menu and select Settings, and then now click on Notifications. There should already be a notification set up by default to send the submissions to the admin email account. So to add a new notification, just select Add New. Add a notification name. So this is just a quick way to recognize the notification. It won't matter what name you choose. So you could choose how the message is sent in the Send To option. There are available options here. These are available options. The Enter Email. This could be a merge tag for the field on your form, such as a single email address or multiple email addresses separated by commas that will all receive the notification for this form. Select a field. So with this option, you can send a notification based on the information entered in the form's email address field. Configure routing. So based on the options that the user selects in the form, you'll be able to modify the Send To email address that is used for the notification using this option. So we will only use the Enter Email option for this video for sake of brevity. So the Send To Email field will be accessible when the Enter Email option is selected. Enter the email address to which you want notifications from your form to be sent to in this field. So a few different fields related to the email being sent will need to be configured. So the From name field is first. This is a name that will show up as a sender in the notification email. You could set this something static or have it generated dynamically. The From email, when getting a notification, this email address will be shown as a sender. You can set this to admin email or use a static email address to prevent sending and deliverability issues. You get a lot of that with Gmail addresses. The reply address can also be set in the reply to field. So merge tags can be used in this field instead of a static email address by selecting the icon to the right of the field. The BCC field will allow you to set an email address in which a notification email will be copied to. If you have an individual who wants to receive all notification emails when sending to multiple recipients, this is helpful. Next, the notification's most important parts are the subject and the message fields. This is the content that lets you know the content of the form that was filled out. The default settings are the messages containing the completed form's content. And like the other fields, it's also support merge tags for dynamically generated content. Most people like the default content, but you can change it to whatever you want. When this option is selected, the file uploaded on the form are included when the notification is sent. WordPress provides a function that assists in improving the readability of your email text by adding paragraph spacing. If you want to prevent the system from tampering with the layout of your notification, for example, like by using HTML, select the box that says Disable Auto Formatting below the message field. The attachment option is visible if the form contains file upload fields. The notification includes the files that were uploaded to the form if this option is selected. use the conditional logic with the notification. Conditional logic is supported in notifications, allowing you to specifically specify conditions that will determine whether this notification is sent or not. You could then set up your conditions by selecting the option to enable conditional logic here. After that, click the update notification, then you're done. Anyway, be sure to check out our other Gravity Form tutorials in the channel. But that's all. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe.